I've been feeling really exhausted. It might be because our routine has been the same every single day.
Yeah, it must be that cycle. Wake up, do stuff, go home, scroll on our phones, sleep and repeat. Honestly, it's boring and draining.
I feel the same. My head feels overloaded, but I don't even know what is feeling it.
That could be a sign that we need to step out of our usual environment for a while.
I agree. We should take a real break, not just move to another cafe pretending we're resting.
So here we're done thinking. We could go somewhere close to nature. I hope that being in nature will help us reset.
Like mountains or the beach. If we go to the mountains, we will be able to breathe fresher air.
I can already imagine wake up early without hearing motorcycles. That sounds relaxing.
But hiking might be tiring still. We shouldn't overthink it.
Physical training is fine. If we had stayed in the city all the time, we would have gone crazy.
I'd rather go somewhere green, like a pine forest or hills. There are a few places that aren't too crowded.
Yeah, a place where we can sit for hours while talking, because we won't be caged by time.
Honestly, that signal might be a blessing. If the signal were strong, we will be scrolling non-stop.
Sometimes I think we've been tired because we haven't given ourselves permission to rest, and that's kind of scary.
Yeah, we keep saying we'll rest later, but later never really comes. That make me feel frustrated.
If we had realized earlier how exhausted we are, we might have avoided burning ourselves out this much.
True, we should haven't taken a break before things feel this heavy. At least now we can still fix it.
And honestly, even this trip doesn't solve everything, it will still help because it helps us breathe for a moment.
True, we must so nothing goes wrong.
Alright, first we're going to decide to the place this weekend. We are meeting to finalize everything.
And please, we should respect nature. I wish we will not leave any trash behind.
Yeah, we come with stories and live with memories, while the place stays untouched.
I hope that when we come back, we'll never later, not because life changed, but because we changed how we face it.
Same! I wish we could keep the calm feeling even after the trip ends.
Alright then, this time we're not just planning a trip, we're choosing to take care of ourselves.
So it's settled. We're not running away from problems. We are going to return to clear minds.